In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Wells Fargo autograph card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will find all the relevant information regarding the Wells Fargo autograph card on their website. I highly recommend that you do this process through the website, as it makes it very easy to see all the features and how to use the Wells Fargo autograph card. So when you arrive at this page on the website at wellsfargo.com, select credit cards, and you will be redirected to all of the credit cards that they offer. Scroll down and eventually you should find the Wells Fargo autograph card. You will be able to see a brief description of all the features that they offer related to this card. As you can see, you can earn 3 times as many points on restaurants, travel, gas stations, transit, popular streaming services, and phone plans. You will get 1 times points on other purchases. It has 0 annual fee, so keep that in mind. And for a limited time, there are some extra offers over here. At the time that I'm recording this video, this is still active, so keep that in mind. But if you don't see this anymore, the welcome offer probably went away. Anyways, if all that you want to do is apply to use the Wells Fargo autograph card, click Learn More, scroll down, and once again you are going to be redirected to this page that has more information regarding the card. You can pay with rewards through PayPal. All of this will accumulate rewards. It has low intro APR. There are plenty of features here that I can't cover in this video alone, so read through all of this, and once you are satisfied, tap Apply Now. You will be redirected to the main form where you have to fill out all of your contact information to see if you are eligible for the card. If you are already a Wells Fargo customer, tap this option and you can just input your username and password to make this process much easier. Alternatively, go ahead and include everything. If you are approved for the credit card, you will receive the card alongside all the information, so the 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code. By using all that information whenever you make purchases online or in store, you will be able to use your Wells Fargo autograph card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Wells Fargo autograph card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.